J Merks. Hey, big head. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Big Head Ari back again with another big head video. Okay, sis, and in this video we're going to be using the 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palette to create a neutral kind of smoked out cut crease glitter look. Okay, sis, so I'm going to be using the kind of burnt orange for my transition color, and then I'm going to transition to a kind of espresso brown and then a dark chocolate brown, and then I'm going to put a neutral color for the kind of corner. So you can see right there where I'm starting with the burnt orange, and you just want to kind of blend this as much as you can. And if you have hooded eyes like me, your cut creases are going to have to go up a lot higher than normal eyes. Yes, baby girl. So go ahead and put some tape on there to help you to kind of keep things real neat and bring your colors up higher if you have hooded eyes, so that you can cut your crease a lot higher than normal eyes. So yeah, we're gonna build off of that orange and blend, sis, blend. So guys, in this video I'm going to be using the Anastasia eye primer. On my other eye I used Milani normal concealer, but I wanted to see the difference, so I'm going to try the Anastasia eye primer on this eye. And this lady in Ulta Beauty said that this Anastasia is comparable to P. Louise. For some reason I do not believe that is true, because P. Louise looks like it's legit, but I did order it, so I'm ready for it to come. I'm waiting on that, and I will be letting you guys know if the hype is what they've been saying. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that brush right there. It's kind of like a flat tip concealer or contouring brush, if you will. No, it's not a contouring brush. It's a eye concealer brush. So like I said, you want to place your line for your cut crease up a lot higher if you have hooded eyes like me. So you want to see where the hood is, and then place the crease line right above that. And just take your time for this, because my hand be shaking and it be doing the most, guys, but you could do it if I could do it. So when you're cutting a crease, you want to make sure you don't leave the primer too wet. So you want to kind of blend it out with like a more fluffy kind of brush. So don't just go put the primer and then go put the eyeshadow. Blend it out first so that, you know, it doesn't crease up or cake up. And then bring your transition colors down onto the crease, your dark or smoky color, whatever color you're using, or if you're recreating this look, I'm using that chocolatey espresso brown, and I'm just kind of placing it on the ends of the cut crease so that it could transition once I put in that neutral cream color. So like I said, continue to blend, and I kind of hit the other eye because I wanted to make sure it was doing well. So go ahead and add in some glitter if you have it. That is Maybelline glitter, metallic glitter eyeliner, and just kind of glide it on where the cut crease line is. Love this infallible eyeliner gel from who this by? This is by Revlon. But I suck at eyeliner lines, so being able to have the gel and the brush to kind of draw it on is much easier for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with Milani Prime Light Primer. And guys, my skin is really dehydrated right now, as well as dry. So today I've been drinking a lot of water because I need my skin. It kind of looks really dull. But it's due to my Crohn's disease and all the things I have going on health-wise. Yes, baby. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Milani Golden Tan color. And then I'm also going to use Amber. And I'm going to mix them together because my skin tone is I do not know. I'm using Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX concealer here. I really love the Can't Stop Won't Stop line by NYX. So guys, make sure you wet your beauty blenders. Wet it. Don't have it dripping like super duper soaked in water, but wet it so that when you're blending out and patting out your foundations and concealers and contours, it kind of smooths on better. So definitely make sure it's damp when you start blending. This is a Milani setting powder. I actually hate setting powder. I never know what I'm doing with it, but I just pretend that I'm doing what the other YouTube beauty chicks be doing. So bear with me, okay? You basically gonna set all the places where you put concealer or any type of contouring. So I'm going to use the Rose Milani highlighter. I'm going to use the Strobe Light bronzer. And then I'm going to use the NYX lip gloss that you see me putting on. And then I'm going to freak it, sis, in my red robe, sis. Yes. 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 Get into it. Get into it. See you guys in the next video.